Welcome back everyone. Today is a really simple and flavorful breakfast recipe. We're going to make some Turkish eggs using some homemade yogurt. We're going to be poaching some eggs today, so get a large pot of not quite boiling water on the stove, and then you can mix up your garlic yogurt sauce. In a small bowl, mix together 1 cup of homemade Greek-style yogurt at room temperature, 1 clove of minced garlic, a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and half a teaspoon of salt. To prepare the butter sauce, place 3 tablespoons or 45 grams of butter cut into small cubes in a small saucepan and add 2 teaspoons of Aleppo pepper. If you don't have Aleppo pepper, you could mix together mild paprika and a pinch of cayenne. There are many methods for poaching an egg. It can help to strain the egg through a sieve, transfer it into a ramekin, and then pour the egg into the water from that ramekin. Adding a little bit of vinegar can help as well. They should take around 3 minutes to poach. Remove them with a slotted spoon and then drain on some paper towel. Once you've got 4 nicely poached eggs, then you can heat your butter sauce on the stove until it's nice and bubbly and fragrant but not burnt. To serve, distribute the yogurt between 2 serving dishes and place 2 eggs over the top. Carefully spoon the hot butter sauce over the eggs and then finish with some chopped dill and parsley and a sprinkle of flaked salt. Serve it up immediately with some toasted Turkish bread. So there's our Turkish style eggs with homemade yogurt sauce. This has to be one of my favorite breakfast recipes. Cafe style breakfast, really flavorful and simple. Awesome way to use up your homemade yogurt. We hope you've enjoyed this recipe today and that you'll give it a go for yourself at home. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. Give this video a like for us and we'll be back really soon with another great recipe.